Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Habib Muammar, and here I will do the final assignment of econometric subject. And here I will do the statistic analysis for the world oil prices and world gold prices. The first, we're going to variable view and put the name oil and gold. And I would like to change the decimal into 0 because it's more easier for me. And the measure is scale. And then yeah, after this, we are going to the data view. And then we put the oil data. um, and the gold data. And then after we put the data, all of them, we are going to the analyze and then descriptive statistic and then descriptive. And then we move the oil and gold, both of them into the variable. And then we're going to option and make sure the mean, standard deviation, minimum, and maximum is on checklist like this. And then after that, we click continue and OK. And then after that, we have the data here. So from this descriptive statistic table, the minimum, we have the world oil prices variable has the minimum value is 64 and the maximum value is 106. And the average for the uh, oil is 82.83 and the standard deviation is 10.573. Meanwhile, the world gold prices is as the minimum value 2050 and maximum value is 5600 and the average value is 3349.17 and the standard deviation is 1184.292. So from this result, it can be seen that world gold prices have greater variation compared to the world oil prices as indicated by the higher standard deviation value. And then after that, the next is we're going to the analyze and then regression and then linear. So here we put the oil into independent and then we put the gold to dependent. After that, we're going to the statistic and make sure the estimates, model fit, and Rubin Watson is checklist like this, and then click continue. And then we're going to the plots, and the spread is on the X, yeah, and then the receipt is on the Y, like this. After that, don't forget to checklist the normal playability plot also, and then continue. And then after that, we click OK. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. And this is the regression. So the first I will explain about the model summary table. So the model summary table is has the R square value, R square value is in 0.164, which is it was 16.4% of the variation in world gold prices can be explained by world oil prices. And then the remaining is 83.6% is influenced by the other factor out of the model. And then the Durbin-Watson value is 0.218. It's indicating positive autocorrelation in the regression model. And then we have ANOVA table. So the F value of this ANOVA table is 5.504, with a significant value is 0.026, and the significant value is lower than 0.05. So the regression model is statistically significant and can be used to explain the relationship between the world oil prices and world gold prices. And then the next is coefficient table. So based on this table, the gold price equals negative 411 and 121 plus 45 and 0.366 and multiplied by oil price. So the coefficient of world oil prices is positive, which indicates a positive relationship between world oil prices and world gold prices. And this means every 1 unit increase in world oil prices is associated with an increase of approximately 45.369 units in world gold prices. The significant value is 0.026, and which is it's lower than 0.05, so the world oil prices have a significant effect on world gold prices. And then I will explain about this normal PP plot. So this normal PP plot, the points is generally follow the diagonal line, as you can see. So the residual can be considered normally distributed and the normality assumption is satisfied. And then the last one is the scatter plot. So based on scatter plot, the points are randomly distributed like this and do not form a specific pattern. So there is no indication of the heteroscedasticity, and the model satisfies the homoscedasticity assumption. So in my conclusion is the result of this study indicate that world oil prices have a positive and significant effect on world gold prices. And the regression model is statistically significant as indicated by the F-test and the T-test with significant value below 0.05. And that's all from me. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.